Hey guys, thank you for watching. For this video, I'm gonna make some sauteed chicken with mushroom sauce, and then I'm gonna do a side of cauliflower. Now, I got this recipe from the Mealime app, but I modified it a little bit. So instead of green beans, I'm doing cauliflower, and then instead of the starch that is asking me to use, which I don't have, I'm just gonna add extra flavoring. So let me show you what I have. I'm cooking for 6 people now, so you're gonna notice bigger portions. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I already turn on the oven to 425 degrees. I'm gonna cut up these cauliflowers and mix them in a bowl with some lemon pepper, seasoning salt, and some olive oil. And then I'm gonna throw them in the oven until they get nice and roasted all around. Then I'm gonna take this chicken and add salt and pepper, some paprika, some chili powder, and some cumin, ground cumin. I'm gonna cook this mushroom in the pan with some broth, and then I'm gonna throw the chicken back in there until it's completely cooked. And as always, I'm gonna add a side salad. I'm gonna use a romaine lettuce, and I have some leftover Manolo cabbage from when I did the taco wraps for my daughter's birthday, and some tomatoes, and this time I'm gonna add a feta crumbles. But my wife is not a fan of these, so I'm just gonna wait till to add it to mine, and avocado and cucumber. And that's it. So let me show you how that's gonna go. Done. Let me try it. I actually, after I put them on the plate, it was still a little pink, so I had to throw them back in there, and I put it another 15 minutes on the pan. And actually that helped a lot with the sauce, so the sauce is nice and thick now compared to before. So, sauce is good, even if I cooked myself. Okay, chicken. So it's really good. I was worried I was going to put too much salt because I've been kind of running either over or under on the salt, but it turned out to be pretty good. No es brócoli, es coliflor. Cómete este primero. I can't tell if it's pepper or dirt. So it took a little longer to make than my normal go-to meals, but it wasn't complicated. Like I said, the only thing that keeps giving me trouble is the timing on the chicken. If I overcook it, then it's kind of hard, but so I try not to overcook it, but I guess it's better than raw. So yeah, hope you guys make it. Let me know how it turns out, and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. ¿Está bueno? Bye.